Here we are. So, hello from my side. Yeah, talking about a totally different topic. What is the problem? The problem is that mice they can cause quite a lot of damage to fields, about in certain events over 1,000 Swiss francs per hectare. And if you look at a Swiss farm, small average farm is about 22 hectares, so there is quite some damage caused to different to any well to certain farms in Switzerland. And the problem is that it's not so easy to detect where these mouse tunnels are. And actually, this is the idea to uh, to develop a technology to find these mouse tunnels. We had a bachelor thesis running at our department in Burgwindisch in Aargau, where we evaluated certain technologies and found out that ground penetrating radar, that's the this vehicle on the right-hand side is an example for it, can be used actually to detect such mouse tunnels. So what is this device doing? It kind of sends electromagnetic waves into the ground and records the echoes. This is what we have seen what we see on this graphs on the number 2 here. So you get these reflection diagrams, and every time you see such a hyperbolic function. This is caused by a reflection from something in the air. It could be a stone, it could, but also be an air tunnel. And if you connect all these these reflections together with location information that you get from the GPR, you are able to really to track these tunnels. So in principle, we were able to really make a proof of concept that this is working. Um, of course, in the bachelor thesis, we only got to a certain level, and what are the next steps is really to make this system more robust. So, what does that mean? In particular, make modifications on the way these GPR ground penetrating radar device is connected to the ground, because they are optimized typically for roads where it's flat. So we really need a setup which kind of brings the measurement head down closer to the surface in uneven environments. Uh, or if necessary, also work on the GPR device as such, then we would need to do further tests and make optimize the analysis and the interpretation. And on the same time, we are also working on the business case. We are in contact with farming school here in Canton Aargau. They already did an initial assessment how to make money out of this. So that would be then the second parallel step, and of course, we need the farmer's input to validate whether the damages which we found in studies from Agroscope, which is the Swiss research organization for agriculture, how relevant they are to individual farmers. Yeah, that's about our project.